Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Hyundai Sonata key fob. First, let's prepare. You will need your Hyundai vehicle, the new key fob you wish to program, and any existing working keys. It is crucial to confirm that your new key fob has a fresh, fully charged battery. While some older models allow for self-programming, many newer Hyundai vehicles, including the Sonata, often require specialized tools for this process. If your Hyundai model supports self-programming, here are the steps to try. Begin by entering your vehicle and ensuring all doors are securely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the ACK position. This powers the vehicle's accessories without starting the engine. Now, locate the unlock button on your new key fob and press and hold it down for about 20 seconds. Watch for a signal from your car. After holding the unlock button, your car's locks should cycle, meaning they lock and then unlock, or the vehicle's lights may flash. This indicates that the programming sequence has been initiated or completed. Once you observe this, release the button, turn the ignition off, and remove the key. Test all buttons on your new key fob to confirm it works. If it does not function, your vehicle likely needs professional programming. It is important to understand that many contemporary Hyundai vehicles, including the Sonata, are designed to be programmed only with specialized diagnostic equipment. This means that owner self-programming methods may not work. In such cases, you will need to visit a certified automotive locksmith or a Hyundai dealership. They have the specific computer tools that connect to your car's diagnostic port to securely program your new key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.